If your video looks too dark, too flat, or just not quite balanced, the exposure tool in CapCut can make a huge difference in just a few seconds. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to adjust exposure in CapCut step by step so you can brighten your footage, improve visibility, and give your edit a more polished look. And if you find this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy CapCut guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, launch CapCut Desktop on your computer and import the video you want to edit. You can drag and drop your file directly into the project or use the import option if you prefer. Once your video is added, place it onto the timeline so you can start making changes. After that, click on the clip you want to edit. This is important because CapCut only applies adjustments to the selected clip, so make sure the correct one is highlighted before moving forward. Now look over to the right-hand panel. This is where CapCut keeps most of its clip settings and visual adjustments. From there, go to the Adjust tab. The Adjust section gives you control over the overall look of your video, including brightness, contrast, saturation, and of course, exposure. Once you're in the Adjust tab, locate the exposure slider. This is the setting you'll use to change how bright or dark the video appears. If your footage is underexposed and looks too dark, drag the slider to the right to increase brightness. If the video is too bright or washed out, drag it slightly to the left to reduce exposure and bring back more detail. The key here is to make small adjustments and watch how the image changes in real time. A little movement can go a long way, especially if you want your video to still look natural. Try to balance the exposure so that your subject remains clear, the background still has detail, and the overall image doesn't lose too much color or contrast. If needed, you can also fine-tune other adjustment settings afterward to make the final result even better. Once you're happy with the exposure level, just leave the clip as it is and continue editing your project. That's really all there is to it. Adjusting exposure in CapCut is quick, beginner-friendly, and one of the easiest ways to improve the quality of your video fast. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss more CapCut tips and editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.